If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Synthetix, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your account's status. Log into your Synthetix account and verify if there are any notifications or alerts regarding your verification status. Ensure that all necessary information has been submitted. Step 2. Review submitted documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Resubmit verification documents. If you find any issues with your submitted documents, prepare and resubmit them according to the platform's guidelines. Ensure that you follow the specified format and requirements. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending after resubmitting, reach out to Synthetix customer support. Provide them with your account details and any relevant information to expedite the process. Step 5. Monitor your email. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests from Synthetix. They may reach out for additional information or to confirm the completion of your verification. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Synthetix. If problems persist, consider seeking assistance from community forums or support channels for further guidance.